Good morning. The sun is out and so am I. I'm indoors now, but I was just outside. It feels so nice out. And today it was such beautiful weather that it really inspired me to be outside and have a really great day. So I just went to the doctor's office, and I wanted to do a little day in my quarantine life with Summer. I'm gonna attempt to make oatmeal, and I honestly have never really done this, so wish me luck. Really, my goal with this oatmeal, I don't like it when it's super watery, but I also don't like it when it's really dry. So I want it to have that really great Goldilocks, like perfect happy medium. So I'm not even watching a tutorial, I'm just like going for it and doing whatever it says in the box. So we'll see how it goes. This is my final product. I ended up adding a little bit of almond. Oh, my hair got stuck to it. Oh my gosh, that was not cute. I added a little bit of almonds and blueberries and granola and a little bit of honey. Why do I keep saying It's really hot. It's good. It doesn't have a lot of flavor though. My mom made one the other day and hers came out so good. Why is that? Why do moms just know? She didn't even have a recipe or anything, she just made it up. I don't understand. I'm outside eating it because I just can't resist it. Wow, I'm spitting. Okay. I can't resist this weather. I love it. This is my view. And the wall, but I got some trees. Love it. Okay, so Summer and I went outside. It is a beautiful day in the neighborhood, and there she is. I think we're gonna work on a little Mother's Day project, just to see if it'll come out right. But yeah, it's super nice out. The weather is perfect, and whenever the weather is perfect here in Florida, it's always great to take advantage of that, and especially during this time when everybody is just basically stuck inside. It's nice to be out in the open and feel the fresh air. I think that's one of the things that just brings so much positivity into my life, is just breathing in just the nature, and it's really nice out. But I think it just inspires me to just keep going and to stay strong. So if anyone is watching and they feel a little bit sad, maybe just take a break and go outside, maybe for a walk, or just sit outside and listen to the great, wonderful outdoors. That usually brings a lot of peace to me and Summer, of course. Now I understand how she feels being inside the house all day, poor thing, for 8 hours a day. I can't say that I can't imagine, because now I can imagine, because that's become my life. But in the meantime, I'm just thankful for the time that I have and for everything that I'm going through. Everything is learning experience, and I've been learning a lot about myself during this time too. So don't be so hard on yourself. I'm trying not to be. Just enjoy the time that you have and make the best of it. Okay, that was a little rant, a little side rant that I didn't expect, but now we're gonna be working on our little Mother's Day project. Supplies, I have some paint and some markers and some pencils. I have some paintbrushes and a plastic bag that I have repurposed to not get my mom's table dirty. And then these blank cards that I got from Target that were like $1 for a bunch. So we are gonna get started. So I tried to do my cute little Mother's Day card, and of course I didn't really have the proper, I wanted to paint it and I didn't have the proper paintbrush, so I kind of just made it with what I had, and this is how it turned out. Love that. So I am gonna try to do another one, and I don't think I should use the paint because, you know, art is art and whatever you do can be art, but this is not the kind of art that I wanted. But it's fine because practice makes perfect, and I bought a brand new set of paintbrushes that I can use, but I can't use them yet because they're part of my Mother's Day gift. So we will use what we know how to use, which is a pen and another pen and a pencil, you know? Okay, this is phase 1, and I'm trying my best. I get a little smudgy on my fingers, so I'm trying my best not to get the smudges on the card, but this is phase 1, so here we go. I'm going over it with pen now. I'm trying to be really careful. I'm not a hand lettering expert, but I am a balling on a budget expert, and I really don't, well, not that I don't want to spend money on a card, but I have a ton of cards that I told myself I was gonna make, and here we are. Okay. Smudges so far. We're doing good. While the first one dries, I am gonna go in for the second one. So we're gonna do the same thing and pray that we don't get any paint on the card. We've already put the first one in there. I had to kind of redo it because I have this issue where things that I do are just never centered. I also realized that I don't know if I love the first one that I did. It was a little bit off-centered, and I can't give that to Adrian's mom. She will notice. So yeah, this pretty much concludes my thoughts and my activities for the day. So maybe you watched this and you felt like you weren't very productive, and then you've watched this and then you see that other people aren't productive either, like me. My cards didn't turn out how I want them to, but then I remade some and they came out a little bit better, so we'll see if I end up using them. But if you watch this all the way through, thank you for watching, and I will keep you updated on my quarantine whereabouts. Bye!